Hey, this is Dustin with Built with Pride Construction. We're going to do a little walkthrough on a house we just got. Starting work today, started doing demo, and I thought to myself, I better do a walkthrough first so everybody can see what this bad boy looks like before we get started. Probably be done here in about 3 months. This is what we got so far. It's all original. Built in '58. All getting ripped out. That wall will be coming out. We'll be putting an island in. So it's going to be new flooring, paint, new everything. Everything's original in here. No updates. Beautiful spot. Though backs onto a park. Owner, he got a hell of a deal on this place. Got an ensuite in here. Like a Jack and Jill bath. You can enter from the master or from the hall. Master bedroom. 2 more bedrooms. I'll just do a quick walkthrough. Nothing crazy. Won't get into too much detail. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the main idea is just to see before and after. Down here, we're going to do a legal 3-bedroom secondary suite. This basement's massive. It's about 1,400 square feet. So in here is going to be storage / electrical room. Then you're going to enter here through a door, and then this will be all new. This is what we got right now. A little bit of water on the floor, not good. Probably a foundation crack. I'll fix that up later. Good thing it's raining today. It's pretty big bedrooms. And here's a washroom. It's all old cast iron drainage. We'll be ripping that out, doing ABS. Ripping it out of copper and galvanized water lines, doing PEX. This will be our kitchen. That's it for now. We'll see you in 3 months when we do another video.